the email assistant checks your email, lets you know what's important, what's not, if any emails came in about a schedule update, or even a new meeting that they request your appearance at. And now let's say you did also get an email regarding scheduling. Now we have here the follow-up assistant, but these are things that we could change and build because it's custom build solution. This is just a template. You can connect with your Google Calendar or any other calendars that you may have, and we connect directly to it to say, we could do things like fetch a calendar. Let's say a student employee, and we fetch their calendar to see what the availability that they put in. So it all kind of goes as like a web where it takes something that's being told to it in natural language, like how you and I are having a conversation, and then it uses the brain power of AI to tell all of the rest of the branches what to do. Hey, we got an email, and let Christian know this is an important email to read. And then the email also states this person needs to update their schedule. So we're going to pull the schedule for that day, and we're going to put things into its place. And then it even goes all the way down the line to where it has a check system to make sure everything was done, the orchestrator, and then it sends it back up the line and lets you know on your end that things have been completed. I wanted to show you how like it all works together using AI, and it could become your executive assistant that will replace you. We could set it where a text response comes in, it would take over, or an email response, or a phone call that could come in, and then it will get the information from the call, the request, and then send it to the assistant, the agent, and then they carry out the process. But we have the ability to produce executive assistants at scale. So I use this type of product for like different type of entrepreneurs, life insurance agents, real estate agents, myself.
Do you have something where you can see it in process? Do you have like any kind of visual video to see it, like how it works, or an example of a response?
Yeah, let me show you a video. This is what I'll do. Perfect. You have your cell phone on you right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Do me a favor and go ahead and put your phone on speaker and dial this number.
Okay.
I'm going to show you an example of the executive assistant, and you could use this number as well to repeat the process. But this will give you an example of the voice of, like, let's say you'll see how it goes when someone calls your phone, and then we could combine that with custom actions and things to do. So this will be a good way to hear it out. Are you ready to dial the number?
I'm ready.
Hi, thank you for calling Justin Rayside's office. This is Tiffany, his virtual executive assistant. How can I help you today? Would you like to book a call with Justin, leave a message, or would you prefer I try to patch you through to him directly?
Okay.
So you could say book a call.
Yeah. And then I just hung up. But then it will book it according to whatever my schedule.
Yeah, so for this, you would connect your schedule. You say, I take calls between 11 and 1 and 3 and 4. I could have her say, hey, this is Christian. Christian takes calls between 11 and 3, and if you would like to book a time for him to call you back, or will you like me to leave a note? Would you like me to try to patch you through directly to him and see if we can reach him right now? But there's different things we could do if it's like for the students and the student employees. Hey, this is the assistant. I wanted a request to change my schedule. Okay, what time do you want to do that? Right, so it will grab all this information, and now it would send it to what I have shared for you on the screen, and then it would tell that, okay, hey, go and check this calendar, let them know what available slots are open that they can switch to or cancel. And then we can even do what's called a human in the loop. So before it confirms that switch is completed and processed, it will say, hey, we'll give you a call back when, or a text when it is confirmed, because then we could hang up from them after they put their request in, give them the yes or no. They say, yeah, that works for me. Okay, cool. We'll send it up. Now we'll give you a notification. Hey, what do you think about this? You press yes or no. Cool. It was approved. Text message goes out. Hey, you're good on your swap. So that will be kind of like the custom solution that we would build to handle that problem of people texting you to change your schedules, and you have to figure out what time and then go look at this time and then say, hey, it's okay. We can have your AI assistant check the schedule, check this schedule, confirm with them, then come back, just confirm with you. Hey, that looks good to me. All right, cool, done. Now it's booked, and that's it. If they wanted to schedule a time to come to your office to talk to you in person over an issue.
I like the idea of the efficiency at the same time, and be able to have to touch it less often. So it's a whole interesting concept, and I'm trying to think how and if I'd have the ability to integrate it, especially across two different areas.
I think for you, as a man in your position and power, where it's just everything's coming at you left and right, this is a great filter, because that voice you heard, man, we could go through so many different voices. We could clone a voice, where it's only getting better every week, where it's sounding less and less virtual or robotic. Right. I mean, to the point, one of my sales reps was on a call and they're like, "Is this your AI?" And he's like, "Actually, like, no, I'm actually like, I'm a real guy. I'm a real guy." And they're like, "No, you have to be." And they're like, "No, I'm a real guy. It's not the AI." So it's getting better, and I just think as having that for you, because I know I'm busy, so I can only imagine how busy you are. Send you my website. I have some free information there on AI and agentic AI, which is what we do. Because you got the Chat GPT, which is the generative AI, and then you have these AI tools. Like, it's just like, oh, we could make this and content, and just like these tools. But agentic AI, it combines the process of actual AI knowledge with getting tasks completed, getting tasks done, and kind of using AI to do a task.
I like that component, be able to help streamline some of the repetitive things. It seems like they should be automated.
It's pretty, and it looks good, and it makes me feel good, because the user interface is, okay, I can click, and we were happy with that. But as we continue to grow and things are changing, it's like, hey, we can't automate this. We could make this a little simple, so that way you can be the best version of yourself for those personal moments. Because as people in your position, your power, and just I could relate, is you get burnout and you feel dragged. I'm like, I'm answering the phone, I'm changing schedules, I'm driving in traffic to a meeting that I'm gonna be here for 10-15 minutes, and it's annoying. So you want to reduce that. I think on the executive level, executive assistant level, we could definitely help you get going.
I like that. Send me some of that info on the email. I'm going to look at it again, and maybe we'll reconvene and talk about it again. I think some of this stuff through and how that would work, and how I could integrate it. It's interesting, though. It's pretty cool.
Absolutely, Christian. No problem. I'm gonna create a little demo for you as well, and
cool.
then we'll let you think about it and take it from there.
Thank you. I appreciate your time. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Good chatting with you. And I'm going to check it out, because if I can find something to be more efficient, that's more time I get back from me.
Exactly. And time is the most important thing we got, right?
Yeah, you can't buy more of it. It's just, you got what you got.
You got what you got. You got to maximize every second of it. So let's definitely look forward to helping you do that in the future.
Thanks, man. I'll see you soon, and I'll be looking out for your email.
All right. Thanks a lot.
All right,
bye. And, we're on the phone with the mayor of a particular city. We talked about bringing an executive assistant into his office to help him navigate his busy schedule. And, he got multiple things going on, and we could do that and create a custom solution that is not something that's out the box. We have a mix of out the box items and custom solutions, because he also works a part of a university. And that's what we do here at Peak and Momentum. We create custom solutions for businesses and entrepreneurs. And, definitely look forward to having a call with you if you're interested and learning more about AI and how it could save time, because time is our most valuable asset. And you could buy AI, but you can't buy time. All right. So remember that. And let's check in. Let's work.